ultimate guide to safely remove all viruses from your system. Let's kick those bugs to the curb. First things first, arm your system with reliable antivirus software. Whether it's Windows Defender, Avast, or Bitdefender, make sure you have real-time protection against potential threats. Tip 2. Run a full system scan. Now it's time to go on the offensive. Initiate a full system scan with your chosen antivirus software. This deep dive will search every nook and cranny of your system for any lurking viruses. Tip 3. Use malware removal tools. For that extra layer of protection, consider using dedicated malware removal tools like Malwarebytes or AdWCleaner. These tools target specific types of threats and can be real game changers. Tip 4. Safe mode scanning. For those stubborn viruses that play hide-and-seek, boot your system into safe mode and run the scans again. In safe mode, only essential drivers and services are loaded, making it harder for viruses to hide. Tip 5. System restore. If all else fails, it's time for a strategic retreat. Utilize System Restore to roll your system back to a point before the virus invaded. Just make sure to choose a restore point when your system was clean. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to safely remove all viruses from your Windows 10 or 11 laptop. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time,